What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money as a teenager free and fast. So let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, first and foremost, what is ClickBank? What is Max Bounty? What is JVZoo? These are called affiliate networks, and these are places where you can go ahead and find products that other people have created, and you can actually promote them as an affiliate and earn anywhere from 50 to 70% commissions. So with that being said, you don't have to create your own product, but you can still share in on profits of other people who have made products. Now, how do they need you? Where do you come in? You come in by actually bringing the buyer, right? So you get paid most of the money because you brought the buyer to the table. So they're willing to pay you 50 to 75% commissions on each sale that you generate. What we need to do is we need to go ahead and create an account with one of these platforms. So we could create an account on ClickBank, create an account on Max Bounty, create an account on JVZoo. Now, there's a whole bunch of affiliate marketing networks out there. The reason why I like these three is because they have digital offers, which with digital offers and digital programs, they're willing to pay you out more commissions. Once you create an account, let's just say with ClickBank, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the affiliate marketplace. There's going to be a list of categories, other known as picking your niche, right? So you're gonna wanna figure out what type of products you want to go ahead and actually promote. For this specific method, I would recommend the health, the wealth, and the romance niche, right? These niches are going to have the most traffic, and with this method I'm going to be teaching you, you guys want to go ahead and leverage products that are getting a large search volume. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys two different niches, right? So first is e-business and e-marketing. The next one is health and fitness. So we're going to start with e-business and e-marketing. Now, what we're going to do here is I'm going to go to gravity scores, and I'm going to look at the first three offers. So we have make money from YouTube with no filming, right? It's called a YouTube Secrets. And then we also have the 12-minute affiliate system. Now, guys, with any of these platforms, first and foremost, how do you actually make money with this? You simply go ahead and press promote. It's going to go ahead and allow you to generate a hop link. Obviously, if you're logged in, you're going to go ahead and put in your hop link. And this one will pay me 70% commissions. I press generate a hop link, and I'm going to be able to earn basically about roughly $30 per sale. Now, how are we going to go ahead and generate commissions? What we're going to do is we're going to go to youtube.com. Now, first, let me go ahead and show you guys something, right? When massive affiliates, right? Massive freaking affiliates. I just want to show you guys something. This product, for example, has a gravity score of 156. So you want to pick these products that has higher search volumes, and this one's going to have the highest search volume in the Make Money Online niche because it has 156 affiliates not promoting it, but who have made money with it. So that means there's a lot of people promoting this product. So this is what the actual page looks like. So a lot of people are going to be sent to this page by affiliates. And what are they going to do? What do a lot of people do before they actually decide to make a purchase? They go to YouTube. And what do? They type in YouTube Secrets. Not YouTube Secrets, but what they do is they type in a review. Right? So what you can do, for example, this guy created one 2 months ago. He has 187 views. It's a YouTube Secrets review. And then we also have Karen Merrow. She created a review, 548 views. And then we have YouTube Book Review. I don't know what the freak that is, YouTube Secrets. That's 10 months ago, and he has 49,000 views. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go ahead and create a review channel, right? So that's what you want to do. You want to go ahead and create a review channel and review these products. Now, what you want to do is there's two things that you guys can do, right? The first thing is if you guys want to go ahead and actually do honest reviews, you can go to these. You can go to this affiliate page right here, and you can actually request a review copy, and they'll give you access to a copy. You can go through the content, and then you can drop a review on your YouTube channel. Second is you can literally just start consuming content on YouTube or consuming content on blog posts and see what people are saying about it and gather as much information as possible. Basically do intensive research and then you can go ahead and drop a review based off of what you said. So based off of what people are saying, this is what you get access to once you get inside access to the program, so on and so forth, blah 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 blah. Now there's two ways you can go ahead and actually review these products. You can do a positive review, and if you do a positive review, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and redirect people to that affiliate offer. So you're going to go ahead and leave the link in the actual description. Now let's just say a lot of people are saying a lot of negative things. You don't want to build a following on YouTube, and then you don't want to get people not to trust you. So to get people to trust you, what you're going to do is, for example, let's just say get paid for surveys. People are looking, they're interested in this one. It's called gaming jobs online. What I can do is I can go ahead and, let's just say I don't like this product, I can go ahead and actually leave a negative review. And then because I left a negative review, they're gonna be like, damn, I was interested in making money online. Well, don't worry, Mr. or Mrs. Sir, who came across my YouTube channel who was looking into gaming jobs online. Gaming jobs online isn't a good product, but I did actually find a good product where you can actually make money online. And that product is called YouTube Secrets. So what you could do is you can review all these freaking products. So if you like the product and it's a positive review, you redirect people to that actual product. And if it's a negative review, you're gonna go ahead and have a default offer saying, hey, I know you might be a little bit disappointed because you're interested in actually buying this product. It's not a good product. That's just my personal opinion, but I do have a product that can help you make money online that I would highly recommend. And then you would just go ahead and redirect people to that affiliate offer, your default offer. And you could do the same thing with weight loss. Weight loss is gonna have way more higher search volume. And just to kind of give you guys an example, if I go to the top ClickBank offer, Cinderella solution, top ClickBank offer Cinderella solution, you notice there's 5.5 thousand views, 2,000 views, 5.7 thousand views. So people are looking at these reviews before they actually make a purchase. And what's going to happen is they're going to completely forget about that affiliate who created an ad to get them in front of that product, and they're going to go and buy the product through your affiliate link. And if they don't buy the product through your affiliate link, then what's going to happen is you're going to be able to redirect them to another offer that is within the same niche. So with that being said, guys, basically what you want to do is very simple. The way to make money as a teenager or just anybody in general, free and fast, is you want to go ahead and create a YouTube review channel, and you want to start making these product reviews. Now guys, this video right here took me 8 minutes. You guys can review products. On average, these reviews are anywhere from 2 to 6 minutes. 2 to 6 minutes of your time to take away traffic and then redirect that traffic to your affiliate offers to make hundreds of dollars per day, or just an extra side hustle of a couple thousand or a couple $100s per week is a no freaking brainer, right? So with that being said, that is how you make money as a teenager, free and fast.